Alrighty, quick demonstration of the Dewalt Impact Wrench. It is the DCF 894, as you can see, if my thing ever decides to focus. And I actually got an adapter for it, so it can use Bauer batteries. And let's go ahead and try it. What do you want? Down here you can see that there's a little tab. You can barely see it. If I change it, it will no longer work, and that is because it is compatible to be able to use, for example, if I attach a Dewalt battery here, I could put the Bauer tool on here, and that's what that tab is for, to be able to switch it in between. So I put it back in Dewalt just now. There it goes.